Sherabo was born out of a need. I had been diagnosed with an autoimmune disease a couple of years back that left my skin pigmented, and I was struggling to find a moisturizer that can give me that therapeutic benefit. The more I searched around, I just couldn't find any. Everything had so many ingredients that I couldn't even pronounce. Every lotion that I tried wasn't giving me that effect. But at the back of my mind, I remembered having tried shea butter, our Ugandan shea butter, because I grew up in Uganda. We had used it a couple of times, and I tried to look for it on the market to create my own skincare, and I couldn't find any. So I settled for what was available on the market, but I wasn't happy about it. The more I researched about what authentic moisturizer that I can use to heal my skin, because medicine and chemicals were not doing it for me. I just didn't need to put any more steroids in my system. I wanted a natural product that would bring out the best out of my skin, despite the fact that it had been affected by the disease, that autoimmune that left me pigmented. So I then started using these shea butters that I've mentioned. But the more I continued to research, the more I realized actually Ugandan shea butter has better benefits. So I asked a friend to send me some from out of Canada, and then I started making products for myself and my daughter, because we both needed skincare, plus we have natural hair, so we both needed products for both our hair and our skin. Within a very short period, I couldn't believe how much my skin had improved. I hadn't used any chemical, but my skin was being restored. It was soft. You all know, you've heard that Canada has very dry winters. So winter would come and my skin was still intact. I wasn't getting all that dry and brittle skin. And I thought to myself, why don't I share this formulation with other people out there that are probably also looking for healthy options for skincare? The entrepreneurial spirit in me realized that this is a need that a market has. They have not heard about Ugandan shea butter, they've heard about other shea butters. I wanted to tap into that, and also to really give a testimony for what my skin had experienced, and help someone else who has a skincare need. That's how Sherabo was born. Sherabo is very special to me because of its meaning. It's the word Sherabo means gift, and this is derived from my cultural language from Uganda. I believe shea butter is nature's gift to us as humanity, as well as my handcraft. This is my craft, is also a gift to everybody that uses this skincare that I create. So that is what that's where Sherabo came from, and that's what it means to me. However, I also would like you to know that every skin care jar that I make, or bottle of oil, is a gift from my heart to yours, and I make it with you in mind.